how to set spending limits for your US bank card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set spending limits on your US bank card. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here you can just click on the login button and after that you simply have to enter your user ID and password to log into your US Bank account. And now here, once logged in on the main dashboard, you can simply go to the card controls or card services section from your top menu and after that you can simply select the card you want to manage. And after that you can simply look for the option to set spending limits or transaction limits and after that you simply have to enter your desired limit, whether it's a daily spending cap, transactions maximum, or weekly amount. And once you're done with that you can just save your changes and that's it. That's how you can set spending limits for your US bank card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.